into a world unknown. 1 hour of chaos awaits.
Well, we're back. We're back. Another day, another dollar. It's what's today? It's not, well, it's Wild Wednesdays, baby. Wild Wednesdays. Wild Wednesdays up in here. We're doing it live on the YouTube. How y'all doing today? Who's excited? I hope that Danny Trade's lawyers are watching right now, because I heard you guys are working on a lawsuit, and I want to make sure we give you all the info that you need to make sure that you have everything that you need to create the lawsuit for defamation, because we want to make sure that everything that, everything that is out there for you to see, because I'm totally transparent here. I want to make sure that you guys have all the info, so that way when you sue me, you have all the info to sue me with. I'm excited either way. Right now we got CPI report. CPI report coming out here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh Lord, CPI report. It's gonna get wild either way. I mean, the market's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go all around basically. I mean, that's kind of how it works. It could go up, it could go down. I guess it's gonna get wild. It's gonna get wild here. Good morning, good morning. Do you have the stream on the lowest latency? I do. There should be very little delay. Look at my time on the clock here. 8:26. Where are you guys at? How much delay do you got? Jonathan said, what's a CPI report? Jonathan, you know what? Here's your answer to what a CPI report is. I want you to go ahead and just turn your computer off for the next 30 minutes. Just go ahead, turn it off. Press the power button right now. Press the power button right now. Because you are not ready for the CPI report, my friend. I'm serious. Just go ahead and press the power button right now. If you don't know what the CPI report is, go ahead and just boom, power, walk away, come back later. Come back later. Come back later. All right. So yeah, there should not be very much delay. What is the CPI report? Well, basically at 8:30, some numbers are going to come out and the market's going to make a big move here. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world change your smile. Good thing I'm smiling ear to ear every day. Good thing Daddy Patrick's over here just smiling ear to ear, baby. We're so happy we can't be any happier. Good morning, good morning. We got everybody here. We're a little bit early today. We got early today for the CPI report. Gonna see what happens. Don't go crazy, people. It's all, don't get crazy out there, people. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Basically what we're looking for is the CPI report to come out, and then we're looking for the next little setup after that report, right? So we're kind of like, we want to see that big move either direction, whatever it is, and then we want to kind of see if we get a bull flag, a bear flag based on that move, and then look for a trade. So nice and easy. LuxAlgo settings, guys. I don't know what everybody every day asks about LuxAlgo settings. Here's your LuxAlgo settings. I don't know. It's all there. It's all there. I don't really do much with the settings, to be honest. I don't even really do much. There's my settings. All right, we got some, what do we got? 30 seconds, 40 seconds here till the news comes out. Why am I early? I'm early because of the CPI report today. I think we're going to get a big move here. Get a big move CPI report. That's right. Big old moves coming up. Let's see. We got a pivot point there at the 882s, pivot point here at the 776s, but you know how that goes. It's going to get wild. Watch it. Get ready. 1 minute chart, 15 seconds. Oh my Lord. 870, 880 area. Previous day high up there, 872. So 872, 900, 21,900 area up there. It's going to get wild. Here we go. Oh my Lord. That candle right now. Oh, it's off the charts, boys. Oh, my God. That was insanity. Absolutely insanity here. Absolutely insanity. Dropped straight down there, 625 now. What the fuck? Down to that pivot point, tapped into that pivot point, 576s. What a time to be alive, right? 600 level trying to hold up for now. Internet is lagging or something. My internet's going in and out. The market makers. The market makers. Right there, just holding up 588s for now. Big move there, 300-point move, basically. We got to get some type of little pushback up here off the 600 level, like, something. Just to find like a bit of a bear flag, maybe. Or maybe not. JK, still dipping. Down there, 560s now. Right there at that pivot point, 575 pivot point for now. Like I said, kind of needs some type of little pushback up here. That insane drop. Insane drop right there. Got to get a little bit of a pushy push. You know, give me a little bit of a pushback up off this pivot point here. 10 a.m. reversal. 10 a.m. reversal will be massive. Oh Lord. What a move. Who is long at that? Anybody long for that? Oh my Lord. Is it working? Streaming? Hello, hello, hello. Are we back? Is it alive? The best is like, look at the ES. The ES chart right now. You know, it's a good day when the chart looks like that. I think we got to get some type of little pushback up. Like, I don't know. That was just straight down. Nasdaq right there. If it could pop back up, like maybe back straight up to that 650 area. Gets through these wicks here, back above 600. Should kind of like, could be a very quick little squeeze back up, but it's got to get kind of like through these wicks here. Obviously that big dump candle kind of just needs some type of little pushback, you know. Did we close the Sunday gap? Fucking A, we did, didn't we? We did, boys. This was that Sunday gap. That was that gap that we talked about yesterday, actually. There at that level. So we closed it, still moving lower. 15-minute candle just continuing lower. It's about a 300-point move to the downside right there. Trade for Freedom said that he bought the very low of this dip. Well, it just made a new low, or it's making a new low right now. Still going lower here. Market just dumping. No reason to get long. Still going lower. I was looking for like a possible kind of retracement, like back up into the 600s here, if we broke through the high of these candles, but we just have not had any retracement yet. So as much as I like want to trade it, I can't really short down here. I'm not going to short after a 300-point move down, to be honest, which it might still go lower. I just don't like that risk reward. That's just my personal preference, right? Personal preference. Do I think it's going to go to last week's low? We got some support down here, like 420 level. We could work our way down there, but I do feel like we need some type of retracement back up. Get a little bit of a retracement back up, you know? Just a little bit.
I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone.
540s. Will we push? I mean,
I'm going to show them the world.
it's just it is hard to get short.
Controls without borders or boundaries.
Jason, will the course teach me anything the past 7 years of videos have not? Probably not. If you watched my videos for 7 years, you probably don't need the course, to be honest. We're watching, we're waiting. Can we get this push back up? I need like some type of retracement here, you know? Love your honesty. I mean, you know, what? You know, I mean, hey. Either way, it's just like you can't really do much here, to be honest. I want to, but it's just kind of like you can't. I feel like it wants to push back up. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now kind of showing some, you know, some little pushy push. Trying to get that push back up here, but we got that pivot point there at the 72s. Maybe if we get back, I think if we get back in the 600 level, then it's definitely like at least like a 670, 680 area to push back up to here. Kind of what I would reckon. It is risky. I agree. This is why we trade. We don't trade pre-market. Don't trade the pre-market. I was, you know, a new CPI report is coming out, so I jumped on a little early for that action. But was there news? Come on, guys. Hey, everybody, if you're asking about the news, I want you to do one thing. Go to the onlyprofirms.com website, right? It's free. Every morning, check this shit out. Every morning when you wake up, I want you to do something very simple. I want you to go to the website, and I want you to look, and you'll see that there's numbers, right? Numbers are your friends. Just like trading, you know, just like trading, numbers. There's numbers if you trade the numbers. So if you go onlyprofirms.com, go to the onlyprofirms.com website, economic calendar at the top there, click on that, and look, bam, February 12th, 8:30, we had core CPI news come out. Obviously, big numbers, market reacting in the way that it did, and
JUN, Danny would never turn down money. You dope, Pat.
J-Dun, Danny would never turn down money because they need it. They ain't got no money. While we wait for the market to open up here, let this thing kind of play out a little bit. Like I said, economic calendar on onlyprofirms.com, totally free. And you can dial it in, different countries and all that. You can see tomorrow we've got the initial jobless claims. And then on Friday, we've got retail sales. And kind of get an idea. Whenever these big numbers come out, be aware of that. These are numbers that move the market. They move the market, my friends. Right now, the Nasdaq, will we continue lower? We got a pivot point down there, 480s next. Did Nutty Bar inspire you to use the 2-minute chart? No. No offense to Nutty Bar, but you think I got it? You think I have any inspiration from Nutty Bar? Come on now. Come on now. Yeah. Come on now. I love the guy, but I wouldn't give him any credit for my trading. That's for sure. And it's not even, I mean, I'm not hating on him at all. I've been trading longer than Nutty Bar knew what trading was. That's right here live on YouTube. So we dropped into this Sunday, this big Sunday candle that we opened up. We dropped there. Sunday, we pushed back up. We filled that gap, the Sunday, Monday open, whatever you want to call it. And right now we've got this low down here, some support at the 21,420 area. So that's a big old hourly candle. Look at that 1 minute candle. God. The problem is, like, if I would have went short before the news came out, it would have went up 500 points. If I would have went long, it would have dropped 500 points. So either way, I would have been fucked. But look at this, pushing back up now. This could start to accelerate if we get back up here. Watch the shorts here. If you're short down here, I'd be careful. Don't go short in the fucking bottom, boys. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. You know what I mean? Everybody wants to be the hero. Everybody wants to be the hero until they're not. Don't be that guy. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about it today, but I do want to point out something here. So Danny trades yesterday after basically, we exposed all of the issues with his proof that he was, this amazing day trader. This is what he posted. He goes, here's what you need to know. It's time to clear the air about the unfounded accusations. This motherfucker used ChatGPT, I promise you. There's no way in hell Danny wrote this. There's no way. And then I love the fact that he's like, let's stay focused on trading, not drama. He said he stands by his trading record, which speaks for itself. The defamation against me and Funded Futures family is not only unfair, but also unacceptable. Does he not understand what defamation is? I don't think he understands. How retarded are these people? Patrick, you're defamating me. Stop it's not good. So the biggest fucking nail in the coffin here, the elephant in the room, is the fact that Danny claims that he made $300,000, right, in 2025. But for some reason, his expectancy, right, his expectancy shows that he is actually down 200,000. Because if you do 1,000 trades and you're expected to lose $200 every 1,000 trades, that would be a $200,000 loss. I really think that Danny is too fucking dumb to understand how trading actually works. And he can sue me all he wants. I would love to go to court. If you do the math, right? This is just simple math, right? It's simple math. You cannot make $300,000 with these statistics. This is ChatGPT, by the way, right? ChatGPT has literally, I don't know who's smarter, ChatGPT or Danny. Who could possibly fucking be smarter? I don't know. Maybe I would think that Danny is smarter. Maybe Danny is smarter than the smartest computer in the world, but probably not. So again, you cannot make $300,000 with the statistics that Danny showed us. Instead, you are expected to lose $200,000. I love that the ChatGPT actually gives ideas on how to make your trading better. It says improve your expectancy. Improve your expectancy. Yes, that makes a lot of sense. Thank you. So yes, if Danny trades lawyers, if he actually has lawyers, if you're watching this, I would run very, very far away from your client. If your client has literally proven that he's a scam artist, the facts are irrefutable, because it's like gravity, math. I didn't go to school for like math or anything, but 1 and 1 do not equal 3. 1 and 1 does not equal 3. All right, Nasdaq pushed up there, right, still below that 600 level. We did not get back above 600s here yet. Did not get back. So I think I wanted to make sure. I asked Google, is math factual? Yes, math is based on facts. Mathematicians use a process called proof to establish mathematical truths. And the mathematical truth here, my friends, is that if you have a $200 negative expectancy, that means you do not make money as a trader. Is math, is it a fact or is it not a fact? I don't know. The fact that there's people in the chat actually defending Danny. Literally. If lawyers really wanted to, don't you think they could find something to sue you for that you said about him and Jay Dunn? Again, guys, that's not how it works. You can't sue somebody when they point out facts. You can't sue somebody when they point out the fact that you're a scammer. That's just not how it works. Remember when Rip said he was going to spend $5 million to destroy me because I pointed out the fact that he got arrested for being a scammer? That's not how it works. Guess what? I'm still here, right? Rip said he was going to sue me for $5 million. And well, guess what? It didn't happen, because that's not how it works, you dumb motherfuckers. You can't sue somebody for pointing out facts. Hey, and again, I would love for the lawyers to contact me, because guess what? What Danny doesn't understand is that if you go to court, he has to actually testify under oath. He would have to testify under oath. And you know what's worse than lying on the internet? Lying in court. They don't like it. The judges do not like when you lie in court. It's not not a good idea. You know, posting on Twitter that you make money and you're a millionaire trader, you know, you can get away with that. You probably won't go to jail for saying that. But if you go to court and you tell the court that you're a millionaire trader that makes money, yeah, you're going to have to show some proof. Because that's called, you know, showing proof. That's showing proof. That's showing proof. All right, Nasdaq, where are we going to go today? Where are we going to get some fun, some action? Big move down here with the CPI report. Big move down. Big move down. Yeah, you know it's a big move when you gotta move the chart to see what happened. I feel like we gotta get like some type of pushback up here. That's just a big old hourly candle. We got about 5 minutes here until 9 o'clock. Jose Maria, what did Rips do? Well, Rips did everything, but it was lawfare, don't worry. The lawfare came after him. You got to watch out for that lawfare. I'm actually a little worried because Rips said that he had 6 Lamborghinis or 6 cars, right? 6 flashy cars. And right now I've got the Escalade, the F-250, the Huracan, the Aventador, the GT500. Oh, fuck, guys. Oh, fuck. I got to sell a car ASAP. I need to sell. I will sell the Huracan right now live on YouTube. I'll take $400,000 cash. Who wants it? I need to sell it ASAP. I cannot have 6 cars because the government is going to come after me. I need some. Who wants to buy? Bidding starts. Bidding starts. $400,000 cash. You can have the Huracan. Come on. Why y'all saying why y'all laughing at 400,000? That's how much I'm going to sell it for. You know that, right? I don't think people are like, why people are I don't know why they're laughing. That's like that's literally what I'm going to sell it for. Like really though. I got a 660 Rapto and a 380K. Bro, Huracan is 180,000. Really? Is it $180,000? Are you telling me that my car is only worth 180,000? What will I ever do? I paid way too much, clearly. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no, everybody, what would I do? Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Hey, you dumbasses. I don't have a normal fucking Huracan. I got a Huracan STO. I've also got a twin turbo. Come on. What's wrong with you people? Patrick, your car's not worth 400,000. Okay. You're right. I'm wrong. It's a twin turbo. This right here. This is a Huracan. I think this is the one with the... No, this one doesn't even have the fucking supercharger. There was an STO that had a supercharger for sale recently. See, these are normal hurricanes. Normal hurricanes are cheaper. I have the STO. Oh, here we go. This one right here. This is a supercharged STO. I've got the twin turbo, puts out over 1,000 horsepower. And they want, for this one, they want 437,000. So the people in the chat trying to tell me that I'm not going to get $400,000 for my Huracan, which is one of the baddest Huracans in all of South Florida, the baddest STOs. But what happened? Where'd they all go? Look, there's my car. There's the Huracan. Siri, can you send me the VIN and the miles? If you're actually interested, email g@onlyprofirms.com. It's only got 3,000 miles on it.
The gates of perception are wide open.
What is the maintenance on the Lambo? I don't know. Just get it maintained, I guess. Nasdaq moving down here again. That pivot point, 477, 9 o'clock. The candle just opened up on the hourly. This hourly chart is just looking nasty. You've got 500 down there, and then after that, 440, which is this low. Well, kind of like this support level. Why would the government go after you if you had 6 cars? I don't know. Ask Rips. Rips said that the government came after him because he had 6 cars. It was lawfare. He got arrested because he had too many cars. I'm trying to figure out. I talked to my attorney. My attorney said that he couldn't figure out why, the government would arrest you for having 6 cars. But I want to stay safe, people. I want to stay safe. I want to stay safe. CPI report. Nasdaq's making moves. We still got some time here until market opens up. Let this report, the data, play do what it's gonna do, you know, and then see about making some more money here today. We'll see about making some more money here today. A little bit of a double bottom down there for now. Well, it kind of dipped below that. Dipped below that for now. Oh, Lord. We're just stuck down here now. Let's see what happens down here. Have I track dayed any of the cars? I've not track day any cars yet. The problem with the track is like it's not very convenient. You got to go all the way down to Homestead. Just a mission to go to the track, and then the problem is like if you go to the track and then you break something, then like how do you get home? So I probably like need to get a trailer. Pivot point down there, 478 now. Made any money yet? Nope. Still waiting. When are we going to see the racing simulator? I don't even know. This fucking camera, it keeps freezing every time I turn it on. No, yep. So over there in the back is going to be where the racing simulator is. Pretty hyped on that. At some point it'll be here. I don't fucking know.
It only happens here, nowhere else.
We'll see.
No other time. Your whole sense of being falls into purity.
All right, Nasdaq kind of just holding up here. ES and the Nasdaq. ES also holding up down there, right at a pivot point right now, 6,020 area. Massive move here overnight. Roman Taylor said, "What is?" His wife just asked, "What's PW's opinion for today?" Well, first off, my opinion is the market loves to go up, it loves to go down. I feel like we got to get some type of like push back up here. It's hard to get short down here at the bottom right now, but maybe it does go a little lower, maybe. Maybe. Wayne, why does your main camera, why is it mirrored? So the reason that my main camera is mirrored is because the chart that I look at is over here. And if the chart was over here, I have to mirror my camera so that way when I'm looking at the chart in terms of like the screen. Because it would be weird if I was talking about the chart but looking this way, right? That's why. You should put the GT500 in the background. The GT500 is getting worked on. The roof scoop on the STO it does work. It is a functional roof scoop, by the way. The air goes into the engine bay. Patrick, are you going to Miami Concourse car meet? I'm not this weekend. We got 20 minutes here till market opens up. Where's the pickup? It's outside. Where other cars, like most cars stay outside. The Lambo comes inside. I got to go to the bathroom really quickly. We do have this pivot point down there, 473 level, right below this 570. So got about 100 point between these two pivot points right here. We're right in the middle. If we dip down there, maybe take out last week's low, maybe. Hey, maybe. Hello? Yeah, I got the email. I sent you the email. It'd be totally fine. We'll just go ahead and we can donate that towards next year or this upcoming year. Yeah, that would be great. Perfect. Yeah, it can be Pyra Pilates can be the sponsor. Pyra, Pyra Pilates. She's just opened up a business right here across from Gillespie's. We got to get her all situated with everything. But yeah. Yep. Awesome. Yep. Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah. Oh, just a reminder, you gotta pick up your check. I'm like, nah, just donate it. What? The place south, right? Kitchen on right? Yeah, South Bar or whatever. I thought you. No. Oh, that was Lauren, I think. But it's right down the street from here. We won. I don't know if you guys saw, but last night we won the. Well, we got second. Sorry, we didn't win. We got second place in the Pompano Beach Boat Parade. You know, big deal, people. Big deal around here. Patrick Wieland got the biggest and the largest. Got second. This upcoming year, I promise you, I'm gonna win the boat parade. There ain't no way I'm losing this year. But they gave away they gave $300 for second place, and they just called me to say if I wanted to pick up the check, and I said just go ahead and donate it. Donate it to the community, baby. That's how we do. This is me and Victoria last night picking it up, winning. Look at us.
Cash and award funded.
Ooh! Just stay winning, baby. Just stay winning. Oh.
Good job.
Just giving back to the community every day, baby. That's all I'm all about around here.
And first what? $300 cash and
I think people really think that, like, you know, the crazy screaming and yelling, cursing Patrick Wieland that is on YouTube is the same in real life, but I'm a little different in real life. I'm kind of the same, but I'm a little different as well. So right now, Nasdaq is holding up down here at the lows. Holding up down here at the lows right now. Do a poll. All right. Are we going up or down at open today? What do we think, chat? Up or down at open? You let me know. You let me know. We're going to find out either way. Chewy. What's Chewy talking about? Where's Chewy? Chewy's having a problem? Where you at, Chewy? Chewy in the chat. Chewy. Patrick, turn off the lights, get Blade light horns on, then blast Blade intro song, make video. Okay. Sounds like a good plan. This song. Just have that playing the whole time in the background, baby. Funny story about Blade is one time I was in Germany, right? Little story. I'm in Germany and we're going out. I'm with a guy from Canada as a pro wakeboarder, another wakeboarder, and we're going out in Germany late at night, and we are like walking down the street, and someone tells us that there's like this underground rave that we can go to, and I'm like, okay, sick. So like as we're walking up to this underground rave in Germany, there's no signs, there's nothing. It's just like a door. And the best part is the person, like the doorman, like the guy working the door, he's wearing like an all leather outfit. And I'm telling everybody that's with me, I'm like, guys, have you not seen the movie fucking Blade? This is how everybody dies. Like, you can't just go to an underground rave and there's a guy that's got a fucking dominatrix outfit on as the doorman. So everyone's like, nah, we're good, don't worry about it. I'm like, God, I swear to God, we're gonna die. So we end up getting in the elevator, and the best part was the underground rave was actually on top of the building. So right then and there, I'm like, oh my, this is for sure a scam. So we take the elevator up. Remember, it's like me, two other guys, and then the guy in the leather outfit. He takes us up in the elevator. We get to the top. As we're going up, we hear the boom, the boom, the boom, the boom. You know, you can start hearing the bass, hearing the people. You're like, what the fuck? The elevator opens, and there's just like a vacant, huge room on the top of this building in Germany, and it's just full of people. literally just full of people. And everybody was on drugs, and it was wild. It was fucking crazy. And that was my rave experience in Germany. The best part was, I still remember this shit. The Canadian kid that we were with, he's a funny guy. He's trying to talk to this German girl, and he's like trying to dance with her. And he tells her, he's like, hey, I'm from Canada. And I still remember this. She literally goes, fuck you. He thought that she was going to be impressed, but she literally just goes, fuck you. And I'm like, yeah, that did not work. The whole, like, I'm from Canada pickup line. Nope. Done. Get out of here. Fuck you. Oh, man. Did I dance? Oh, I danced. Danced the fucking night away. I actually have proof of that somewhere. I don't even know where that proof is, but there is proof of it. Let me see if I don't think I can find it, actually. Let me see, look here. I think there's actually video proof of this. Let me see. I'm trying to think if I had it in the intro of the movie. Oh, I did, actually. It's in the fucking movie right here. Let me see. All right. So this is a movie that I filmed back in the day. It's a full-length, like 30-minute wakeboarding movie. And this is when we're in Germany. See, I was doing this shit back in the day. Did y'all see that? We put the dildo on the window and rolled down driving around Germany. The dildo on the window. Where's the actual fucking party scene? Oh, I was Hamburg, I think. Fuck, where's that party scene? All right, we're waiting for the market to open. We got 10 minutes till market opens. But yeah, I used to make movies back in the day. Patrick Wieland making fucking wakeboarding movies. I don't know if I have where's my credit at in this? I don't even know. This is my name somewhere. Filmed and edited by Patrick Wieland. Directed and filmed. That's right. Directed and filmed by Patrick Wieland. Wow. Directed, filmed, and edited. Holy shit. I got all the credit right there, baby. All the fucking credit. I think that's in this. Whereas I'm obsessed with finding this Germany fucking clips. Where did it go? That was a trailer. Teaser. Trailer. I think it's the same one. Yep, same one. Fuck. I don't know. Oh, here we go. This is it. This is the trailer for my first movie. Well, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Patrick Wieland making movies, baby. What in the world was I doing back in the day? This is 11 years ago. What in the world? All right, it's coming up. I got proof that I went to a rave in Germany. This is Germany. No, that's not Germany. We're back in Germany. Oh, here it is. This is it right here. Look, unlike this is the kid right here. He told the girl that he was from Canada. He told her, I'm from Canada. And that was the rave. This is literally him telling the girl. Holy shit. I have it on photo, video. That's him telling the girl that he's from Canada. Wow, I did some cool shit back in the day. Oh, yeah. This is what I used to do. Before I was a YouTuber, I filmed wakeboarding full time. Wakeboarding, surfing, kiteboarding, making movies. We used to travel around the world partying, filming videos, just having a good old time. Filming from a helicopter, filming from boats, everywhere. Oh. All right, right now the poll, we got 64% calling for the market to go up, 36% calling for the market to go down. Once again, greetings from Hamburg, Germany. I've been to Hamburg. I went to the Ripperbahn. What you know about that Ripperbahn? They still got the Ripperbahn in Germany, in Hamburg, trading jewels. How was the pay back then? I think I was making like $4,000 a month was my salary. Maybe a little more, right around there. Is that Ripperbahn? The Ripperbahn. Hey chat, have you ever been to the Ripperbahn? We went to Hamburg as well during Biketoberfest, or bike. It was like, we were there when there was like the bikers were all there. It's fucking hilarious. All these like German bikers with their fucking leather outfits on and shit. You got a lot of Canadians in your life. I got a lot of everything in my life. Worldwide, baby. UK, Brazilian, fucking German, American. I come from Hamburg. Look at that. We got a lot of people from Hamburg up in here. I had some good times in Germany. I've been to Germany probably like 4 or 5 times. Went to Cologne a few times as well. Got drunk in Cologne. Almost got arrested for falling asleep at KFC. Little did I know you can't sleep at KFC in Germany. In America, you can sleep in KFC. It's like, it's part of the deal. You go in there, you get some chicken, then you fall asleep. I went to get some chicken at KFC in Germany and they almost arrested me. They poked me with the baton. Sir. I'm like, what? Don't get drunk. Go to KFC in fucking Germany. All right, Nasdaq holding up down here at the lows. Like I said, we got to get like some type of like pushback up here, right? It's like, yeep, a little, yeep, a little, yeep, back up here. The Ripperbahn in Germany, Hamburg. Oh, guten Tag, guten Morgen, good morgen. Fuck. Ein Bier. That was all I would say. Ein Bier. Go up to the bar in Germany and just start saying Ein Bier. They'd be like, this fucking idiot. This fucking American. This fucking American. Expect pop to trap longs at open, then we sell off. I like that. Do I know fellow YouTuber Danny Duncan? I don't. Danny Duncan, Virginity Rocks. Kid has absolutely killed it with that apparel. That's what I think about. Like, I'm gonna come out with some BDH shirts that just say Big Dick House. I think it would sell. Who's buying a Big Dick House shirt? Who's buying a Big Dick shirt? I think everybody's getting one. See? Look at that. Hey, my marketing team is watching the stream right now, and they don't believe that people are gonna buy a Big Dick House shirt. We got to sell at least 20 Big Dick House shirts. Look at that. They're ready. They just want, give me my money. Give me my money. Nasdaq right now pushing. We got that pivot point right there, 575. Holding up at the lows down here. Is medium dick available? No, can't. None of those. Only big dicks. Right now. You, baby. All I wanna do is. Minutes till market opens. We just had a massive drop after the CPI report came out. Is it time? Will the Nasdaq show some strength here and try to push back up, or is it downtown? All the towns going downtown here. "45 seconds. I just feel like this really has to like push back up a little bit, but I don't know. So close. Love for you. Here we go. 4, 5, well, 3, 2, 1. If we hold this 560 level, I would not be surprised if we push straight up through the 600s there next. Here it goes. 5-minute chart right now. Look at the 1-minute chart. Got to get through right here. Get through that, and then you've got that 620 area up there. You got that pivot point right there, 570s. Need to get a boner candle to get right through that 570s and then try to get up there into the 600s next. But sellers are stepping in there, holding it down. Again, trouble. This area right here is key for the bulls. If they lose this, you know we're going downtown. Basically like below that 540 level. Below this level, we should start to move. If that candle closes below this level, trying. Here we go. 540s tapping. Just holding on there. This candle, get through the 40s. There's a pivot point down there, 479s. Very uneventful open here so far. The fact that they're not being able to sell this down is kind of impressive. Get that squeeze going here. So basically now it's like through the 570s, try to push up there through the 600s. There's that 570 push. Boner candle to the 600s there next. Boner candle. Needs to push through the 80s here, like right now, to get up there through the 600s next. Got these highs right here at the 88, 90 level, and then there's some 99 resistance there. Still holding up there at the 560s again. Going on the 1 minute chart here. Through that 80 should kind of get us straight up there into the 600. Look at this little bull flag setting up here now. Let's go right to the 600s, boys. There's that 80 push. Looking for this 90 break. Break 90 strong. Let's get it right through this resistance here. They're at the 88s now, tapping into that. Looking to the left. Buyers are trying to push. Get through the 88s up there into this area next. There you go, 90s now, 95, 96s. So close. So close. There we go. Bull flag is getting paid. Getting paid on the bull flags up there into the 600s now. Up there into the 600s now. As you can see, they're taking the long for the breakout 76s now. Up there to the 96s. I'll take my 20 points, baby. I'll take my 20 points for a nice, easy $5,000. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. 20 points every day keeps the doctor away. And for anybody out there that wants to learn about what expectancy looks like, here's your expectancy. $200. That's what happens when you make the money. When you make the money, expectancy.
8 with a 100% profitable day, which means only one thing, baby.
This guy's pooping on the toilet, making money. 8, fucking, let's go, baby. Let's go. On my mind. 601. We broke through the pullback now. The reason I switched to the 1 minute chart is look at the 2 minute chart. We break above like the high of this 2 minute candle. So then I'm kind of like looking at it like this, like, okay, this little bull flag, the breakout here. We're bouncing off that pivot point 73s. I think we got to tap our little yellow line here. Even could go all the way to the VWAP, honestly. The bulls are getting paid. Patrick, you are the best trader on YouTube. Every time I follow Top Step, I lose money. Well, stop doing that. Stop losing money following other people. All right, there you go. Nasdaq still pushing into the 600s now. The reason we are looking for this kind of like previous area of resistance here on the chart to see if we can get a little pushback up here. This 612 area. Our little yellow line pretty damn close. What was the high of that candle? 607. Watch our little yellow line get tapped. Watch that little yellow line get tapped. To my body burning too. Patrick, how many contracts do you trade? Just depends on the trade, honestly. Maybe 2 contracts per account, maybe 3 contracts. It really just depends based on kind of what I'm seeing. I don't have like a set amount of contracts that I'll trade. Jacob, should we be looking for bear flags since we're below the VWAP? You should be, but the problem is like this is a data play, right? That news came out this morning, and you know, it's not like actual technical analysis because now like this big news play. The market loves to kind of push back up and retest these big drops pre-market. Look at that. Nasdaq still going higher from our original entry. It's still going. Up there through our little yellow line now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Oh, man. If I had $1 for every time I sold early. But that's the thing, right? You know, getting 20 points, I got nothing to complain about. Like, you know, like, fuck it. Fuck it. You know? Fuck it. Fuck it. Money's money. Make it. Can you flip contracts with Take Profit Trader to pass the evaluations? Yes, sir. Scott Edwards on 3 different trades got 20 points. Let's go. Let's see how my journal's looking here. Let's see how the journal's looking, boys. Does the green continue? I think so. 22 days. I'm blessed right now. I am fucking blessed. I'm blessed, boys. I am blessed. I'm you know, I put in work, put a lot of effort in, and here we are. I'm doing it. We're doing it live. Still going higher. Nasdaq. Total P&L for 22 days of trading in these Tradeify accounts, $136,000. Like we talked about yesterday, the thing is with Tradeify, there's a 20% consistency rule. So I really don't need to make $100,000 per day. I don't need to make $20,000 per day. Get that $1,000 a day, do it consistently. That's my goal. That's what I want to show you guys, right? What I want to show you guys is, at the end of the day, look, how hard is it for me to show you my stats? You know, I don't need to talk to an attorney. I don't need to call a lawyer. I don't need to, you know, spend 5 days talking about, you know, my broker statements, or I don't need to do anything. I can literally just log in, refresh it a few times, show you exactly like, hey, look, here's my stats. You know, what do you want me to do? It's here. It's real. You know, look, bang. February, all green. January, all green. All green. All green. You know? There's other YouTubers out there, other people out there that would tell you that they need to take time to show you their broker statement. You know, they need a few days to prepare their broker statement so that they can show it to you. Or you could just, you know, listen to Patrick Wieland and see exactly everything. Here's all of my stats. No time needed. No time. I don't need to waste any time preparing this. And what I want to focus on right here is, look, my trade expectancy is $368. $368. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm profitable? Does that mean I make money? Or should my trade expectancy be negative? I don't know. Why is it that people that own prop firms can't show the actual trades? Why can't they show what they're doing? Instead of just telling you that their lawyer says they need to wait to show you their broker statement. It's kind of weird. It's all there. My average daily P&L, 6,000. Largest profitable day, 16,000. My largest profit, 5,900. My largest loss, 4,000. Bang. So, again, trade expectancy right there. This is the only thing that matters at the end of the day. This is basically the facts, the data of telling you, hey, if you take 1,000 trades, this is what you're going to make per contract. You're going to make $368 per contract if you do 1,000 trades with your current strategy. And that's the only thing that matters. This is what I can expect to make if I take 1,000 trades, 100 trades. And would you look at that? The Nasdaq right up there to the VWAP now. Where is all of the bears at? Where's all the bears at? Where did all the bears go? I don't know. The best part is literally the best fucking part of this whole thing is like, look at the trade. Oh my God. Fucking A. Well, I told you. Watching above the high through the 70s there, that 60 area, if the 60 area holds up, what are we looking for? We're looking for a push up there into the 600s. And look, it's been nothing but green all morning. You could have literally closed your eyes and made money. You could have literally closed your eyes this morning watching Patrick Wieland live on YouTube and made money. Where did I get in? Hey, Lucas, are you looking at the chart? Is this mic, is this camera working? Is this working? Patrick, why did you get in? Why did you not take it when 40 broke? You said if it breaks 40, it's going down. Well, I'll explain exactly why. Take a look here. I was really focusing on, first off, making sure that I'm not going to just get into the first candle to break through the 40s, right? So 40s, it did break, but look at that candle. We didn't really like sell. We dipped and then got right back up there above that 40s. If I was looking for the short here, I'd want to see us below 40s and then turn 40s into resistance, right? Because guess what? What does that look like? Right? Do I want to enter a short when the market looks like this? When I got my little yellow line right there, it's like, is that where I want to short at? Do I want to short right here? Oh God. He doesn't show execution. It says right there, buy, sell. Buy, sell. Look, it's still going higher. The market is still only going higher since I said if it breaks above.
I got hammered by consistency rule. Somehow I made 40 grand in one day in straight to fund it, and now I need to make more than 100 grand just to get 3K payout.
How the fuck did you make $40,000 in one day? That's crazy. I love all the people in the chat. It's just like, again, hey, you're watching me. I'm not watching you, so I'm not even gonna talk. I'm not even gonna respond to you. You know, what do you want? Patrick, you only took 20 points? What a loser. Patrick, you're a loser. You only took 20 points? What a loser. You know, hey, I guess I'll just quit trading. I'll just quit it. I'm just going to quit trading because I'm a loser. 22 days of green right now in these Tradeify accounts. We're pushing back up there above the VWAP now. VWAP and trying to see if we get some support there. The VWAP. Get through that pivot point there. Pivot point 679s. Guess what? Pivot point to pivot point, baby. Who would have thought? If they load. Where are pivot points at? There they are. Pivot point here at the 70s. Pivot point there at the 83s.
Basically, I made 10K first and I wanted to reduce my profit to 3K. And so started with max micros 10, and every time I went in my direction, I wanted to lose money.
That's pretty amazing that you literally tried to lose money and you made money. Isn't that the best? I've done that. It's hard sometimes. I've literally like made too much money and then would try to lose money and then just keep making more money. Brad Disler, you have an incredible win rate, but you could make it huge if you leave some sort of runner. I agree with you, Brad. You're not wrong, Brad, but the problem is, like I said, there's a 20% consistency rule with the straight to funded accounts with Tradeify. So it doesn't really do anything for me. If I make more profit, it just hurts me because now I got to make more profit tomorrow. So I agree with you. You are right, Brad. You're not wrong. I could make more money. You're 100% right. 100%. But again, we're following the plan. We're sticking to the plan. We're getting the payouts, and that's all we need to do. Right? That's it. I don't know what else to say. I apologize that I didn't make more money today. I will do better next. I don't know. I've also been trading for long enough to know that, like, hey, if something is like working, you know, if 20 points is working, then why fuck with it? You know, like if you're making money with a simple strategy and people on the internet are telling you to do something different, like why would you, why would I, no offense, but like why would I listen to some person in the chat telling me that I should change something? The one thing that I know is right now, only thing that I know, I don't know anything else in the world. I have no idea what is happening outside of this fucking room right now. But what I can tell you is I know that my trading right now is working, right? Like my trading strategy right now, it's working. So there is no reason to change anything, right? Could I get better stats? Maybe. You know, could I make my profit factor higher? Could I make my trade percent better? Maybe I could, but I also know that if I start fucking around and I start changing my strategy, guess what's going to happen? Well, then I probably are going to have a red day. I'm probably going to go on tilt. I'm going to get emotional. I'm going to get pissed, whatever it is. Like, I know me personally as a trader that the best thing for me is to be consistent. The minute that I start fucking around and I try to go for bigger trades or I start trying to do anything different, that's when I fuck up. That's when I don't get payouts. That's when I blow up the accounts. It's when I deviate from what is working is when I blow up. So for me, why would I change what I'm doing right now? There's no reason to change. Look at the Nasdaq right now, boys. Only going higher. Only going higher. Where is Monday the 10th on your calendar? I'm a fraud. I hide it. If you remember, if you were here on Monday, I did not trade my Tradeify accounts on Monday. Why did I not trade my Tradeify accounts on Monday? Does anybody know? Because the payout day is on the 11th, right? You can request a payout on the 11th. So I didn't want to trade on Monday because I wouldn't get any credit for those trades. It wouldn't help me. I'm trying to get a payout, guys. Like, I want to get paid out. That's my goal. I'm a trader. I want to get paid. Do I want to impress people on the internet? Sure. But at the same time, what I want to do is I want to get paid. I want to make the money. You know, like, this is what I want right here. You know, I want these. I want 52,000. I want 40,000. I want 15,000. I want another 15,000. That's what I want. I don't give a fuck about Chad in the goddamn fucking chat telling me what I should do differently. I want to get paid out. 52,000 from Take Profit Trader there, February 10th.
Here's
40,000, Apex, February 10th. Do it again, Patrick. Another one, Take Profit on the 3rd of February. Let's do another one, 15,000
Stop loss 20.
with Tradeify.
Client.
Come on. Like, I just don't get why people come here and try to like preach to me about what I should do differently. And then they try to be like, Patrick, I'm looking at your journal right now. And clearly you're not showing all of your trades, Patrick, because on the 10th, there's nothing there. So clearly you're hiding. What are you hiding about on the 10th? Patrick, what did you hide? Patrick, why is it not there? Patrick, I can't stop clicking on it, but nothing's happening. God, I can't. I can't. Well, I mean, so basically, if you're looking at this chart right now, pretty much if you would have bought at any point above the pivot point and you took it to this pivot point, that's 100 points. That's 100 points. Do you need to make 100 points? No, you don't. But there's 100 points for you. Again, what were we looking at? We had that pivot point right there, 74, 75 level. So the way I look at it is like, hey, if we get above this pivot point here, we got this little thing to take out, 86s, and then after that, 600s, and then after that, we got the VWAP. So it's simply a little bit of resistance, a little bit of resistance. All right, we tapped into that, we took that out, and then bam, VWAP. VWAP. So, if you guys haven't hit that like button, we got 649 likes. Come on, people. We got to get more likes on these things. The big question is now what? Whew. The $1 million question. I don't know. Walk away. I would walk away, honestly. If it was me, I would take my profit and I would walk away. You know what I mean? That's what I would do. Personally. What if you haven't traded yet? Well, look for basically what? This pivot point here, 680 support. Maybe another bull flag breakout through here. I think if we get above 700 here, above 700, fuck, we go like, could go right up to the end of that pivot point and just fill this whole fucking gap. I mean, the bulls, again, they're pushing. I wouldn't be short, that's for sure. I don't think it's a good spot to short at. But I also would not take this trade.
Why didn't you get it on the first candle? Wick, that broke the trend.
Why did I not get in on the first candle that broke the trend? Like the right at the open? Like this candle? Is what you're saying? Like why did I not get long here at 65? Is that your question? I mean, it's really hard to trade the first candle at open, to be honest. On the 1 minute chart, probably the reason that I didn't do it. Also knowing that they love to kind of trap above here. Waited for this pullback, nice little doji candle, the squeeze back up. I didn't even really have the best entry, but we did get right above the high there, 71. I got filled and then took my profit at 96s. But I think this little doji right here really kind of gives you confidence that if you're buying this breakout, there's going to be some upside momentum. You know, it's like knowing that we kind of like dipped right below the low of this candle and then right back up, that 540 area. I know I said if we get below 540, we would go lower. You can see we we got to 35, and then we were right back up above that 40 level again. So basically, like right here in that 550, 560 area, whenever I talk about, like when I say 560, 550, that's obviously like you got to give it some room, right? The Nasdaq is not going to just stop right at 540. All right, like, you know what I mean? Like, does that make sense, people? It's not going to just like magically just stop perfectly right at the level that you say. Like there's going to be a little, you know, a little bit of up and down. So I think the best thing to do is give it a little bit of room, you know, like talk about it and be like, okay, that 540 area is here, but like, I don't want to just get short if we break right through 540. I would want to get below 540 and then push back up, turn 540 into resistance. And that's why this was the long and not the short. We pulled back into the 540. We respected it. We pushed back up. We get this fucking engulfing bullish candle. And then bam. I mean, fucking A. There you go. There you go. Did Danny finally delete his video? No way.
Did people did not approach you to trade for them? I am sure people pay a lot if you trade for them, or people can connect to your trades.
Rob, that's highly illegal.
What's going?
Danny's video is gone. He took the video down. No, Danny took the video down exposing Patrick Wieland. What happened? I wonder why. Don't worry, Daniel's got a copy. You know Daniel's got a copy, don't you, Daniel? Daniel's fucking on it, boys. Daniel is on it. Daniel is, I like it. The best part is, like, when Danny came at me and Danny started talking shit, I had so many people reach out to me that were like, fuck this guy. Like, I had an army of people that were supporting me and basically like, hey, we're gonna work together and we're gonna fucking find out how Danny's cheating this shit. So that's what I love. Like, I didn't even have to go out of my way. Like, people literally are hitting me up and they're like giving me all this info, and I'm like, oh, okay, you know, more and more info. Here you can see how the Nasdaq is now stuck below this pivot point. So really, for the longs, like, I'd be waiting to get above 700. We got Powell speaking here at 10 o'clock. There's not really any reason to get long here until like above 700. Is Rips in prison now? I don't think so. Who the fuck knows where Rips is? In a gutter somewhere. Just being a sleuth. A sleuth. Is that a thing? Gutter sleuth? You know about a gutter sleuth? Y'all know about gutter sleuths? Look at that gutter sleuth working. He's a gutter sleuth. That is not the website. That is not the fucking design, is it? No. That is not the design. I just opened up Twitter and this is the fucking shirt that I see. I'm like, what is this? That is not the fucking... People are going to think that's serious. That is not serious. You did not actually do that. Like, that's not real. God. People are going to see this and they're going to think it's real. Oh, God. Who's this person? She looks like she might have a dick. Oh, man. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. We got Powell speaking at 10 o'clock. We're back below the VWAP here. Like I said, this is a perfect time, my friends, to just stay out of it, right? Maybe we pull back, maybe we go higher, but hey, nobody's forcing you to continue trading. We got the numbers came out this morning, a lot of volatility. It's just, you know, some days are better than others. I feel like that first, fucking 30 minutes of market open gave plenty of opportunities to get your 20 points, get your 30 points, and then lock it in. That's what I love about, I see, you know, like the numbers of people watching the stream. And it's funny because, you know, we kind of like the numbers go higher and higher. And then right around 10 o'clock, we start, you know, slowly dipping down. Because why? Because most of the people that watch my live stream, they make money in the first 30 minutes and then they get the fuck out. Like, that's the goal here. The goal is not to trade all day. Trust me, like, I've tried. It's not worth it. You're gonna end up just fucking taking more trades, causing more issues, causing more fees. You know, like, it's just, stay out of it if you can. Walk away. And so, we did have a textbook 15-minute opening range here. The high of that 15-minute candle right there being 667. If you look, we break the 15-minute high right there, a little bit of a pullback. You still got, what is that? 20 points? Got 20 points on the 15-minute opening range move there. The problem with that move is you're right there at that pivot point. And then also, like, look at those candles. Oh my Lord. I mean, that's just buy, all the way up. And now it's going to be red. Pivot point down there, 573s. There you go, Frankie. 1 to 3 trades, make some money in 1 to 2 hours, and then done for the day. Can't argue with that. Can't argue with that. I can't believe that Danny deleted the video on YouTube after 3 days. Like, what was he waiting for? He got exposed so hard. They're fucked. God. And the reason people like, Patrick, you know, I don't know why you care so much. You know why I care so much? Because guess what? I've worked really fucking hard to get where I am. 8 years, right? Like, I've worked really fucking hard. I know people think that I'm just like a scammer and I'm just a bunch of bullshit, but like, I really have worked very, very hard to get where I am. So when somebody comes along and wants to talk shit when they have no fucking idea what they're talking about, well, guess what? I feel very inclined to make sure that everybody in the fucking industry knows who in the fuck is running this shit. There is only one man who runs this industry, and it ain't fucking Danny Trades. Danny Trades, I'm going to be owed a lot of apologies and potentially a lot of money in defamation. No, Danny, you're not. You're not, Danny. You're not. You ain't. You fucked. How much did he lie? This is what he posted. He goes, I trade real money live every single day. My results speak for themselves. You accuse me of paper trading, and I did a live login as transparent as it gets to show you that I'm already up 300,000. Every trade, every login stream live on YouTube. Yeah, Danny. Yeah, Danny, you did it. You really got us. You really showed the world. You showed the world your stats. The negative 200 expectancy. Yes, we really believe you, Danny. We believe you. We believe you. Because you know what I really think is kind of funny about this whole thing? Is I think that Danny Trades and Jay Dunn think that we're all fucking retarded. You know, like, they think that me and you and everybody watching this, that we're fucking retarded. Think about that. Like, that's what they think. They think that they're going to make a fake fucking thing and they'd be like, look, I'm up 300,000. And nobody's going to ask, like, oh, okay, we believe you, Danny. Danny, we believe you. It makes a lot of sense, Danny. You know, like, hey, there's Danny in his fucking backyard. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. But I love this. It's time to clear the air about the unfounded. Danny doesn't even know how to fucking write accusations. First off, so he didn't write this, by the way. ChatGPT or some other fucking thing did. It's clear. the air about the unfounded accusations from certain influencers that my trading in question is authentic and was conducted with real money. Here's what you need to know. The recent video that I posted was meant to demonstrate the authenticity of my trades. Yes, there was a glitch, but rest assured, it was genuine live trading. You know what's so weird is every time I log into my live account, at no point does it just magically start flashing demo. You know, it's so weird. And then this is my favorite. This is a public announcement for everybody out there watching. If you fuck with Patrick Wieland, if you try to make threats that you're going to sue me, if you even mention my name without saying that I'm the best to ever do it, just expect to get the full fucking force of the goddamn BDH. Because we coming for you. These people are going to be scared. They're going to be every day looking behind their backs like, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Where's PW at? He's coming for me. Where's PW? He's coming for me. What am I going to do? Because PW is there. He going to come for me. You know?
Sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds, I come out on top because I know and I understand that it's a numbers game. You know, and that's how you're gonna win. That's how you're gonna get on top. You know?
It's a numbers game, guys. It's simply just numbers. That's why he has a negative expectancy. It's mathematically impossible to be profitable when you have a negative expectancy. How does that work? Dead. Nasdaq right now trying to put in a higher low here at the 600 area now, 21,600s. MRC trades. Patrick, shut the fuck up. Okay. You like the VIP room? Let me know how the VIP room looks. I just put some new curtains in there, some new carpet. Let me know how it is in there. Maybe some, you know, if you need anything, you know, maybe you want like a couple drinks, let me know. I'll send you something. Get you in the VIP room, no problem. No, yeah, I got you, buddy. Pivot point down there, 21,573. Did I try the Trump vodka yet? Fuck no, this is a collector's edition. I would never drink this now. I gotta give it to somebody or hold on to it, I guess.
Could you please give us a brief guideline, step to bet where you are now?
Give us a brief guideline to bet where you are now. What? What does that even mean? Top step is long from the 43s on the ES right now. Oh, God. Now the market's going to zero. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Get ready for that one. Their stop's at, like, where's that stop at? 31. 31 is their stop on this short, so. How to get where I'm at? You're never going to be where I'm at. It's impossible, but you could try. Honestly, like, I made $5 million last year, so even if you get just to like 10% of where I'm at, it's still a pretty good year. Keep working hard, dream big. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it. You know, stand up for what you believe in, no matter what. Even when everybody in the chat tells you to stop, just keep going. Never stop, never surrender. Fight till you die. You know, what's the point? What's the point in living if you can't fucking fight for things that you believe in? Right? Like, hey, if you can't stand up for what you think is right, then what's the point? You know, you might as well just fucking stop living. You might as well just give up. Might as well just go live in the woods. Might as well just fucking, I don't even know. Just stop trying. And that's the best part, is I've never bent the knee. I've just continued to do exactly what I want to do, exactly how I want to do it. Even when everyone tells me, Pat, you just stop. Leave Danny alone. Leave Rips alone. Leave ICT alone. I'm like a fucking dog with rabies. Once I get my teeth in something, I'm fucking gonna get it. Gonna get it, boys. Streaming pays $4 million. No, it pays $5 million. Please show your pivot point settings. No problem. I'm here to, here to help. That's my pivot point settings. It's my pivot point settings there. I don't change the settings, by the way. This is all standard settings. All right. Top Steps adding to their long here at the 42s on the ES. Trading the micros over there. Uh-oh. Nobody worry about you, but you worry about everybody. Okay, Derwin. What kind of name is Derwin? Your mom named you that? Or like, who named you Derwin? I don't believe you got a name named Derwin. Derwin. My name's Derwin. Congrats, Derwin. Derwin. See if this Nasdaq is going to dip down here, take out Top Steps stop loss. And just to reiterate, this is what started the whole thing with me and Danny. I didn't talk about him. I had him blocked on Twitter. I know, like, whatever. I don't fucking talk about him. And then literally he posted this on Twitter saying that if I saw Wieland, his funeral would be held the next day. So I don't know about you guys, but that sounds like fighting words. That sounds like, oh shit, it's time to fucking destroy you. That sounds like it's time to destroy you. Joe Connors has spent $10,000 on coaches and never made $1. Patrick, I've been following your free videos and I'm about to pass my first prop firm account. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Nasdaq staying alive, ES staying alive here at the 40s for now. Nasdaq finding some support again down here at that 580 here, right above that pivot point here. Back up to the VWAP. You can kind of see how we've started to kind of form a bit of a channel here. We got to get a breakout here above this channel. Somebody asked about me, how do I prepare with the pre-market? Well, I'll give you a breakdown, no problem. I'm here to help. Today it was pretty simple. We were actually trading live this morning pretty early. And the way I look at it is like this. All right, look at this massive hourly candle after that data came out. All that data, the CPI report came out, big drop candle all the way down. We got a pivot point there at the 500s. The way I look at it is going into open, do I think that the market is going to drop down here and then just keep going lower? Right? Like, do I think it's going to drop and then just keep going lower? Or do I know that the market moves in waves? So even if the market wants to go lower here, is it my belief that the market is simply going to go straight down? Or would I believe that the market would maybe push up here again? Like the way it needed some type of retracement back up. We talked about it all morning, the idea of this wanting kind of get back up in there. Look at the 2-minute chart. What do we got? Little waves happening. Maybe another wave here. The market loves, it's moving in a wave, right? Moving in a wave. Patrick, you're a nut, but you're secretly smart. Well, don't tell anybody. I don't want them to find out. Like I said, Top Step's trading micros right now. Who the fuck trades micros? Unless you're like a brand new, new trader, trade micros. But if you're like a fucking experienced trader, there is no benefit of trading micros. Nasdaq again, back up there to the VWAP. This is that moment in time here. Basically, you want to see this push up, get above that 720 level, and then build out another bull flag possibly right here, right? That's where if I'm looking for a long, I want to see this high get taken out, get that pullback, and then the expansion higher. Nutty Bar trades micros. Well, Nutty Bar is a special character. Nate, did you take any trades today? Yes. Did you, Nate? Did you take any trades today, Nate? Robert Powell, yes there is. Keeps you from blowing up a small account. Again, are you hey Robert, are you a coach? Are you an experienced day trader coach? Are you an experienced day trading coach who works for a prop firm? Did I say that, hey, everybody has to trade with only minis, no micros? No, I said experienced traders who trade with micros they don't have trust in their fucking, in their strategy. They don't know, you know what I mean? Uh-oh. We're getting some reports. We're getting some reports from from Danny Trade's prop firm. This has been multiple people now that have said they've had accounts that they had payouts, and then today the accounts are gone. Uh-oh, trouble. I don't know exactly what's happening, but this is straight from their Discord.
You beat erectile dysfunction.
Armando, my video, that's nice. Thanks, Armando. Uh-oh, some trouble over there. Family funded fuckfest. I mean, the fact that Danny Trades deleted the video off of YouTube basically proves that he is lying. The fact that he literally deleted the video is like, that's not good. Try and delete the evidence. All right, Nasdaq pushing here. Will we break through that 700 level, that little bit of a double top? That's what you want to obviously get through there. Should be right through 700s now. And then look for that next pullback from there. There's that breakthrough the 700s now. Like I said, you kind of want to get this pullback here, build out a bit of a bull flag after we broke through this high from earlier. Market right now just green, 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 green. No real pullbacks in here, but now we can see if we get a little bit of a pullback here. $4.5 trillion tax cut. So how do you cut a 4.5 trillion tax cut? What the fuck? 4.5 million. That seems like a lot. Seems like a lot. All right, so now you really just want, if this is going to break through here, it's got to just start going, like straight up here, right? Okay. Oh, there, yeah, no, that's, okay, yeah, there you go. It's, oh, yep, that's exactly what you want to see happen right there. That was exactly what you wanted to see. That was cool. That was cool. You gotta love that, huh? You gotta love that setup. Wow. Okay. I was literally just like looking at him like, guys, it's gotta go right now. Like it's gotta start just going. And as soon as I started saying it's gotta start going, it just starts going. That was hilarious, actually. I'm not gonna lie, that was impressive. Why is this delayed? There's no delay. Look at the chart. It's 10:25. What time is it where you're at? There's no delay on the stream. Refresh your page. God. Patrick called Nutty Bar. Should I call him? All right, let's call him. What's up with Nutty Bar? What's he doing today? Let's see if we get his comment on the whole daily trades thing. Nutty Bar. See if he answers. Little Nutty Bar. Hello, hello. He might not answer. Might be streaming. I can't tell like where it comes out from.
Yes, sir.
The man, dude, it's crazy. My chat every day, they're obsessed. Like, call Nutty. It's so cool. Call him. I'm like, he's busy. He got his own shit going on.
Yeah, we're trying over here.
What you got going on? How we looking? We green on the day or what?
Well, there's a little. It depends where you look. It's a good day.
Hey, just don't look at the charts. Don't look at the accounts that are red. Look at the accounts that are green.
Yeah, look at. We have one account here that's peak red. Just pretend like it's not.
Yeah, no.
We had a slight I could go the route of. I thought about saying maybe I can go the excuse route of, hey, I had an entry somewhere I didn't know I had. It was a glitch.
I think
glitch.
Are you sure?
Not actually happening.
Yeah, no, I think you could just say that, like, hey, I promise you, like, it's real.
It's not real.
No,
in all seriousness, no, we have 3 of our Tradeify accounts at payout.
Oh, cool.
So
there we go. First payout with Tradeify?
Yes, $9,000 payout.
Fuck yeah.
Tonight.
My boy.
Let's go.
My Nutty bar, getting it in.
Getting them payouts. We're green on our Apex accounts.
Well, that's good. Okay. And, hey, as long as you're green, majority of it's green, it's all that matters. Right?
That's right. Payouts is what matters.
How do you feel about the whole Danny Trade situation? He deleted the video. He deleted the video now, Nutty.
Wait, what?
He deleted the YouTube video that he made where he got caught.
He did?
Yeah, but I don't know why, because he waited like 3 days for everybody to see it, and then he deleted it.
Yeah, I'm sure no one took any screenshots.
Yeah, I'm sure Iron Man Trading is not working on a video right now. I'm sure. Wink, wink. I'm sure he's not.
No, I mean, so one thing that people should take away from this is if you're going to come at people, make sure that you're actually trading on real accounts because it's just not a good idea. It's just not a good idea to put yourself out there when you're not trading. I mean, yeah, he got exposed. I mean, it's not that hard to provide proof.
The best, it took him 3 days to make that video. The best is that it took him 3 days to make a video to expose himself. I'm just like, I'm dying over here.
Yeah, I was a little late to the party. I was like, tune into Twitter, and I'm like, whoa, what is going on?
Oh,
Patrick has found himself you're a pretty wild man on Twitter, I gotta say.
I mean, you know how I do. I'm like a dog. Once I get fucking the scent of blood, it's over.
You just don't stop.
I'm upset. I become obsessed. If someone comes at me, me and you went through it. We had that whole point where we just fucking hated each other.
That's right.
It's not good for anybody.
Thankfully, I wasn't actually. I wasn't claiming to be live trading and then demo trading.
You weren't. You didn't claim that you made $300,000 with the negative 200 expectancy.
Right. I mean, you would think. That just baffles me
that's how dumb he is. That is literally how dumb he is. He doesn't know what expectancy means.
Anyway, it's pretty crazy.
It's amazing.
The prop firm drama. It never disappoints.
Never. Well, you know what is I would say there's one tried and true message to the prop firm world. Yeah. Is if you fuck around with Patrick, you're gonna find out. It's just that I don't know why they keep coming at me. They're never gonna. I think after this Danny Trades thing, if someone comes at me now, it's like, holy shit, you really want to die? Like that's like just like a death march. It's like sabotage. You just want to sabotage yourself.
Oh, some people like a good fight,
Well, some people I think that it's like the dominatrix thing,
Can you clear the air? Because I was trying to go back and I was trying to look who came after who first.
Danny Trades 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, posted on Twitter that if he ever saw me in real life, it would be my funeral.
Oh dear.
So when he posted that, I kind of didn't really do much about it, and then I saw a video of him trading basically a simulated account on his live stream, and I was like, well, There we go. We just got him because he literally was trading and he was in a trade and he got out at perfectly at zero, having 20 contracts. With anybody that actually knows how to trade knows that that's almost impossible. Like maybe it happened, but
odds would be
very,
very low.
It'd be a better odds that like somehow, Nutty Bar would fucking grow wings and fly around. Like that would be like better odds of that happening, honestly.
Yep. Yeah, I hear you.
All right. Well, hey, the Nasdaq's about to push here. We just had a bull flag, another bull flag off the pivot point.
I'm like, I need to
get in it. All right, get in it.
Take this trade.
There you go. All right, I'll see you later.
All right. Hey,
peace. Well, there you go. This is exactly what we were looking for in the terms. Sorry, I was on the phone. In terms of we broke above 700, right? We pulled back. We tapped into this 680 pivot right there. And look, another breakout. If you're wondering, Patrick, why? Like, where would I enter? Okay, let's just break it down for you. This is what I do live on YouTube. I won't just help you get rich. I'll teach you. No, I won't. I can't. No promises about getting rich. You're probably going to lose everything you have if you start day trading. So that's my disclaimer. Trading is very, very difficult, and you're probably going to lose everything before you ever make anything. So if you're willing to do that, if you're willing to accept that right there, well then, welcome to the party, my friends. Again, trading is very, very difficult. This is not financial advice, but take a look, right? We have this candle, we have this candle, we have this candle, we have this candle, we have this candle. But what is the story here, right? What is the story with all these candles? All right, well, what's the high of that candle? 39. The high of that candle, 33. The high of that candle, 17. The high of that candle, 16. The high of that candle, 709. The high of this candle, 701. Do you see a pattern here? Do you see a pattern that we're talking about? Not one of these candles made a new high. All right, so then what do we get? We have this candle right here, breaks above the previous candle high. So that would be my entry. Where's my stop at? My stop would be down here below 680s. Basically the entry candle. Rip, doop, doop. Now that's 700 up there into the 24s. Again, there's a reason that I take 20 points. That's why I'm so adamant about the 10-point, 20-point moves. Because I know that a majority of the time, even if the market doesn't go higher, right? Like even if the market does not make a new high for this breakout, if it doesn't make a new high, I know that a majority of the time, I can still get my 10 points. I can still get my 20 points. Again, majority of the time, no matter what, even if you have the best strategy in the world, you're still going to lose money sometimes. It's part of trading. You're going to have red trades, but again, it's all about consistency. If I do this enough times, what do I know? Well, based on my stats, based on my journal, based on my stats here trading, that if I take 1,000 trades and I do it exactly the same with the same exact strategy over and over, if I take 1,000 trades, how much money do I make off of every single contract, every single trade? My trade expectancy is $368. So I know that the majority of the time, yes, I will have losing trades. I will have break-even trades. I will get stopped out. But if I continue to do this, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, what happens? Well, I will make money in the long run. It's okay to have little losers here and there. It's okay to have little losers. It's okay to have little, getting stopped out. That's okay. You can get stopped out. Think about it. If I have a 75% win-loss ratio and I take 10 trades, what happens? That means, I'll do the math, but what? 2 or 3 trades out of the 10 trades are not going to work out. But does that mean that I'm a failure? Does that mean I'm a bad trader? Does it mean I'm a bad trader if I get stopped out? Does it mean that you're a bad trader if you get stopped out on a trade? No. Because guess what? If I get stopped out, I know that if I take another trade and then another trade and then another trade, that getting stopped out is not going to stop me from making money. Because I know that my win rate is there. I'm at 22 days of green. I have had 0 losing days in these Tradeify accounts. I'm not sitting here bragging that I'm the best trader in the world, but I will brag that I'm fucking consistent and I'm consistently taking my 20-point winners. Do I have FOMO? Do I want to take more trades right now? Do I? Fuck, I'm like, man, I can make more money, right? I would love it. It would be so epic to make more money. Why not, right? Like I could do it. We had a breakout. We had the bull flag, right? Like I should do it, right? Like I should get fucking like, but hey, I know that in the long run, that if I continue to trade, if I continue to trade 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whatever it is, that I'm going to start having more losses. So my goal is to avoid situations that I know I'm not going to have an edge. At a certain point, you got to look at your trading and be like, okay, where do I make the most money? How do I make the most money? Where do I make the most money? If I look again at my stats, oh my God, there goes the Nasdaq. Pivot point up there to the 780s now. God. Top Step is, I think they're short. Well, they're short on crude oil. Who trades crude oil? So there you go. Bull flag, like we said, above the 700s now. Up another 80 points there. So, I don't know. I can sit here all day long and tell you that you need to buy my course to learn how to trade, and that's the only way you're ever going to be profitable, and that you need to join my Discord, and that you need to follow every trade that I do, and you need to be exactly like me. But guess what? You'll never be like me, and I'll never be like you. We won't have the same emotional baggage. We won't have the same outlook. We don't have the same risk tolerance. We don't have the same every single trader is a little bit different. Can every single trader trade bull flags and bear flags? Yes. But everybody's got just different shit going on. I've been doing this for 8 years now. I'm also a millionaire. So it's like, if I blow up my account, it doesn't bother me. Like, I'm not going to go broke blowing up my account. I could blow up 1,000 accounts and it doesn't hurt me. And I know that that's an unfair advantage, but that's the place where I've gotten myself. I've gotten to that place. So when I talk about this stuff, I'm trying to talk from a perspective hey, I spent 8 years to get where I'm at to figure this shit out. That number one, you're not going to get rich off of one trade. Number two, you will blow up your account off of just one trade. So think about that. If you can't get rich off of one trade, is it worth it to blow up your account for one trade? Think about that. If you can't get rich off of just one trade, then is it worth it to blow up your account for just one trade? No, it ain't. It ain't worth it, my friends. Again, looking here at my kind of breakdown. All right. I know that Monday is kind of like a whatever day for me. Tuesday is my biggest profit day of the week. Wednesday is my second biggest profit day of the week. And I talked about this the other day. Why is that? Well, I think it's the mental aspect. First off, Monday, you start out a little okay, I want to have a good day, a little green day. Boom, easy. Tuesday, I'm like, all right, I made money on Monday. Let's fucking go on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I'm like, hey, we fucking crushed it on Tuesday. Let's go hard on Wednesday. And then guess what? On Thursday, I'm like, oh shit. Maybe I'll just focus on having a green week. And then Friday, I told you before, there is nothing worse than having a red Friday. So I'm like, fuck it. I want to scale back. I want to go hard Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I want to start playing conservative, because I know based on my stats, some traders won't show you this. They'll show you some other bullshit. But look, Wednesday is my best day out of the entire week for average winning. 94% of the time I win on Wednesdays. Thursdays, look at that. Isn't that funny? My average winning on Thursday and Friday is 56%, 54%. Why is that? Again, mental, right? I can probably work on that. I can be better at that. I know that. I'm aware of that. I want to be better. I want to get better at it. But again, I know that going into tomorrow, going into Friday, that I am more prone to losses on those days because I'm trying to finish the week green. So mentally I'm like, fuck, I gotta finish this week green. So that's kind of fucking me up. It's funny because again, Wednesday, 94% win rate. That's pretty crazy. Why is it that Wednesday and Thursday are so different? I think it really is based on the mental. Monday is 70, Tuesday is 80, Wednesday is 94%. I think that's pretty wild to think about. Also, check this out. What do I also know? Well, look at my stats. The majority of the profit that I make is from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I make a little bit after 10, but after that, I do not do good. I make no money after 10 o'clock, basically. Right? It's just not good for me. Like, I'm just not good at trading kind of either the range or trading whatever's going on in the middle of the day. So don't fuck around with it. Don't fuck around with that. You know what I mean? Same thing over here. You can see 9 o'clock is my most profitable time. Again, what do I know? I know that I do best when the market is moving. I do best when there's momentum. When is there the most momentum? Between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. All I need is 20 points. 20 points. 20 points. Trade duration. Again, we talked about this the other day. It's kind of funny because look, under a minute, majority of my trades are under a minute long. But what's funny is what we talked about the other day is it's funny because look at this. My most profitable trades are 2 to 5 minutes long. So the majority of my profit comes from 2 to 5 minutes of trading compared to actually trades that are a minute to 2 minute long. I'm actually red on that. That's kind of funny. A minute to 2 minutes, clearly that don't work for me. I cannot make a trade and make it only last for a minute and a half because it won't be good for me. But again, it's just like, I don't know. I'm actually like, I really haven't spent a ton of time in the past looking at this, to be honest. Like back in the day, I never really looked at anything like this. I never thought about it. I never tried to like put any thought process into this. But look at this. Like this is pretty wild. You know, and I'm literally showing you guys, this is all real. This is not me like photoshopping and preparing for this. We're doing this live on YouTube right now. Full transparency with you guys. Okay, look. I know that basically trades that are a minute to a minute and a half or a minute to 2 minutes, I've literally not made money. I have not made money on trades that are a minute to 2 minutes. That's kind of funny. I'm net in the negative. Right? That's pretty wild. Like that is pretty wild to think about. Like you would never think about that, would you? Like nobody would, like people don't think about that. And I think that I know exactly why this happens. Because a lot of these trades that are a minute to 2 minutes long, these are just like either they're FOMO trades, they're either just like bad trades. Maybe I'm averaging down or, you know, I'm adding to a loser really quickly, but then stopping out, whatever it is, like it just ain't working for me. So when I look at this, seeing that if I have a trade that's 2 minutes to 5 minutes, how much money do I make? $87,000 with an average win rate of 86%. So that tells me like, hey, if I'm looking, I know I'm just rambling here, but hopefully it's giving you some type of knowledge. If I'm looking at the chart here and I see a trade, I'm like, okay, the breakout, that's 1 minute, that's 2 minutes, that's 3 minutes, that's 4 minutes, that's 5 minutes. And then bam, that would be the 6 minute for that breakout there. Same thing here. If I buy the breakout, that's basically that would be under a minute. So maybe that works out. You know, it's really kind of like being aware. Trading at the end of the day is just about being aware of where you have flaws mentally, emotionally, whatever it is. Like everybody has a flaw. I have an ego that's massive and it hurts me. My ego for trading, it hurts me. I know like I talk a lot of shit, but like it does. Like I get so caught up sometimes in being right that I don't want to accept that maybe I'm wrong. When it comes to trading, you know, when it comes to like Danny Trades being a scammer, 100% I'm right. But when it comes to trading, there are plenty of times where I would do a lot better not having an ego, right? Like if I got into a trade, it doesn't work out for me. Like that's good. Like it'd be better for me to be able to stop out instead of being like on this trade here. Like let's say I got long here for the break above 740 and it goes all the way up here to 774. My ego, it's going to fuck with me because I'm going to be like, fuck it. This shit's it's gonna fill the gap. It's gonna fill the gap, right? Like it's gotta fill the gap. It's so close, it's gotta fill the gap. How many people have done that? Where you're in a trade, you put your profit target, it goes 1 point from your profit target. It goes 1 point. And instead of just taking profit, instead of getting out of the trade, what do? You end up holding it and holding it and holding it, and then you stop out, you blow up your account. You know? That's the self-destruction. That's the human self-destruction. We just be like doing stupid shit. for no reason, you know, no fucking reason. Wait for the traps. Wait for the traps, you know, the traps. The traps are your friends. The best part about trading the traps is like, if you can spot the trap and then you like, hey, that was a trap. Like, guess what? Then that next trade you're going to take, you're like, oh, it's fucking game on, baby. Because they're like, this trade's primed up because it just trapped people. Like if you can't figure out where the trap is, then you probably going to get trapped. I think this is a perfect example, right? This is why I love to wait for these breakouts and then the pullback. Again, this is like, I'm fucking just people be complaining about me selling a $200 course and I'm over here just dropping fucking thousands of dollars. People sell courses that don't even have fucking information like this that I'm dropping right now.
It's better to just release it than to hold the P too long. That's what we are talking about, right?
Yes. Don't hold your P too long. But again, all right, just to reiterate, where is the trap at here, right? Where's this trap? Well, guess what? This is the trap, right? This is the trap. It pushes above that 700 level, wicks right, comes right back down. The bears that are sitting there, I like to think about the different types of strategies that people use. For some reason, people love to trade shorting the top. It's like they're obsessed with it. People fucking think that they're geniuses because they're trying to short the top and they fucking love it. They think they're like, oh man, I'm going to short the fucking top. I don't know why. I have no idea why people are so obsessed with trying to short the top. They fucking love it. But we see it every day. So people will try to short here. They'll short, or if they're getting scared, they're going to short in here, right? They're going to short this, move back down. The market moves back down into here. They short. People are like, okay, it's going to crash back down. And then guess what? Yeah, we just go higher and we stop out all those shorts. And what's funny is if you're wondering why this candle did what it did, why did the candle break out and go where it went? Does anybody know? Anybody know why that happened? Well, think about it. What did everybody who shorted here? What are all the shorts that are shorting in here? What are they doing? What are they doing right there? All those shorts that shorted this move back down, they have their stop above the high of day. That is literally just shorts covering. That's all that is. And then the best part is, guess what? After all the shorts get stopped out up there, the market just pulls back anyway. It's fucking genius.
Y'all, I just passed 2 Apex accounts for 150K and already hit profit target for take profit 25K account. Just need 1 day for consistency tomorrow.
There you go. 1 day, baby. Let's go. But again, the traps. Remember, buy my course, don't buy the course. I don't really give a fuck, to be honest. The point here is very simple. Bull flags go down. Bear flags go up. I know people do not want to believe me, but this is a bear. Where the fuck is this black screen at? This is what a bear flag looks like. This is a bear flag, right? Kind of pushes back up. Let's say whatever fucking name, bad at drawing here, but this is a bear flag. Market pushes back up and then it breaks the downside. What does a bull flag look like? Bull flags pull back, right? The market pushes up and then pulls back. Where do we want to get long at? When we break this flag to go higher. And there it is. So obviously the course has a lot more info in it. It's $199. Like I said, I think it has massive value. There's a lot of people out there that are selling courses for thousands and thousands of dollars. And I promise you, I would outtrade them all day. Think about that. People actually paid money to join Danny Trade's Discord to learn how to trade from him. Like, think about that, right? Like, that right there proves that there are more retards in the world than that. Like, you know, like, I mean, like, there are actual, like, there's a lot of retards out there. Because anybody, like, how could anybody be like, oh, I'm going to pay money to learn how to day trade from this guy? Like, think about that. Like, that's fucking crazy. Like, do people believe Santa Claus is real? Like, that's what I think. Maybe the people that believe that Danny makes money Do they also believe that Santa Claus is real? Possibly, because you'd have to be that fucking dumb. Mommy, is Santa Claus real? Patrick said it's not real. So, you know, like, come on.
It's less about strategy. You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds, I come out on top because I know and I understand that it's a numbers game. You know, and that's how you're gonna win. That's how you're gonna get on top. You know.
Yep.
So it's less about strategy. You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just.
Yes, Danny, it's less about strategy. You're right. Trading has nothing to do with strategy. It's all about numbers. Like when I heard that speech, I literally said, "Oh my God, did somebody actually watch this? Like, did somebody actually film this and then edit it? You know, did somebody literally fucking like?"
When you are drawing your flags, do you have a certain number of candles or slope you use?
You know, did somebody? You know what I mean? Did somebody actually like watch that Danny Trades video and go, "Wow, this is amazing information"? That trading is simply, it's not a strategy. It's just numbers. And well, the numbers don't add up. Because simply $200 negative expectancy, that means you don't make money. That means you're not profitable. That's the truth. Because again, why? The math is facts. 1 + 1 = 1. 1 + 1 = 1. It's facts. Oliver K, been a subscriber for 6 years. Keep it up. Let's go. Whew, do I have a Discord? I do not have a Discord. Guys, we're doing it. We're live on YouTube right now. Why would we have, what do we need a Discord for? I'm doing this for free. You know, people be like, "Patrick, I just want to give you more money. Patrick, can I pay you? Can I pay you for a Discord?" Fuck the Discord. Literally, the Discord is the biggest waste of time. You're going to join a Discord, and it's going to be a bunch of other fucking morons in there, and you're all going to be fucking morons, and you're all going to talk about moronic shit. I'm telling you, just stay out of the Discords. It's best case. The worst thing that you can do is surround yourself with other morons who have no idea how to trade. It will not help you. I promise you. I will fucking guarantee it. If you join a Discord that is full of other unprofitable traders, guess what will happen? You will also stay unprofitable because you're surrounding yourself with literally fucking losers. Literally a bunch of people who are bad at trading. And everybody in the Discord is talking to each other about stuff. And they're all like, "Oh, Pat, you know, like, try my new strategy." Terrible. It's a bad idea. Trading is an individual sport. You know, trading is an individual sport. You do not need to join a fucking Discord to learn to trade. Don't do it. You know, don't do it. Please. Please. Please don't do it.
I have been trading since the beginning of last year. End up negative in the year 8K. It was a 20K year to learn how to trade. Now in 2025, I'm up 12K in payouts thanks to Patrick and his
Hell yeah, he's up 12,000. Hey, that's it right there, my friends. The first year of trading is simply just staying alive. If Cano would have lost $80,000 in his first year, would you have continued? Is that your name? I think Cano? Cano, if you would have lost $80,000 last year, would you still be trading today? You know? No. You gotta keep that the losses manageable. Well, he says yes, but fuck. I'm just trying to make a point. The point is, you ended the year negative 8,000. That's a maintainable, you know, point. You know, that's a maintainable point. But damn it, he said yes. I was trying to give you props. I was trying to give you props. Kano, I was trying to give you props, bro. Come on. No, honestly, though, like I said, the best thing to do when you first start out is just try to not lose money. You know, like if you can just not lose money for a year, you're going to learn a lot. And then guess what? Like after a year of not losing money, maybe you'll break even. You know, maybe you'll break even. And then the next year, maybe you'll make profit. You know, but like that's the whole thing, guys. This is a marathon. You know, how many people do you know have done anything for 8 years straight? Like people that do anything. Like how many people out there have actually done something for 8 years straight? You know? They don't do it. Raphael said he went from negative 500 expectancy to finally plus 100 expectancy. Raphael, you should talk to Danny because he said that the 200 negative makes more money. 200 makes more money. All right. Well, almost 11 o'clock. Not bad. We're cranking right now. I'm always like, I get done trading and then I'm like, what am I going to do the rest of the day? I guess work on some stuff. Maybe go, I don't know. What could I've been trying to do the power hour streams, but it's just like power hour has been terrible lately. Maybe today it'll be better because of CPI report coming out, but I'm probably going to avoid power hour today. It's just not worth it. Just not worth it. So that's how we're feeling right now. It is almost 11 o'clock and time to walk away here. I don't know why every time I fucking turn this camera on and off, it turns off. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Does that make sense? We're live in the BDH. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button. Look at my fucking monitor. How big is this monitor? Why do I have a 55-inch curved monitor on my desk? I have no idea. You ever late at night, you know, you're on Amazon and you're like, you know, you're like looking at stuff on Amazon and then all of a sudden you see something and then you're like, I'm going to buy that. That was pretty much why I bought a 55-inch monitor, which, how much? Yeah, $2,000 impulse buy. You got to be careful with those. Those late night impulse buys, not a good look. All right, Nasdaq, now we're going to just be in this zone of chop. We held up there again, that Monday low 683 and then 680 pivot point right there, bouncing us back up. We've got the LuxAlgo indicator, price action concepts. This is a paid indicator with LuxAlgo that we have on a chart. You can go through here and really do all kinds of crazy stuff, get all types of wild, crazy. The one thing that I really love about it is the highs and lows. It automatically maps out the highs and lows on the chart for me. And like I said, there's a lot more features that you can actually end up doing. But right now, you can see we have a detected pattern, a rising wedge pattern. And you can kind of go different time frames, see the different patterns. Got like this little microphone looking thing right now. Also, that dotted line, if you're new to the channel, I'm going to give you the biggest secret in the entire life. This is free, by the way. I won't charge you for this one. This is the one secret that if you could have any secret, or maybe honestly, if you could just have anything on the chart, the most important level on the chart, right here, I'm going to give it to you. Ready? Very simple. Go on your trading view chart, type in the settings, go to scales and lines, scroll down here, previous day close, right there, previous day close, put it on the chart. I'm telling you, that right there, that is gold. It is gold for futures because I know that the previous day close is always a very important level. It acts as a magnet. Market loves to kind of return to the previous day close to test it, to see if there's support there, to see if there's resistance there, whatever it is. So that's it. Where's Victoria? Victoria's working. She's at our new Pilates studio. We're opening up a Pilates studio like a week from now. Oh, buddy. Pilates. Gonna make so much money. So much money with my Pilates studio. How's the new jet ski? It's good. Pretty good. It's fun. So there you go. We have these higher lows kind of holding up here. That Monday low acting as support. And again, I wanted to point out here, this is if my last little piece of advice today. I can't be giving away too much advice here. I can't be giving too much away. But you guys that are still here, you're getting little nuggets. Check this out, right? This is another example of why I love the 2-minute chart. If you go to the 1-minute chart, someone asked me earlier about this actually. They're like, how many candles do you want to see, before getting a bull flag, bear flag, all that? Look at the 1-minute chart. It's like, not as like clear. If you look at the 2-minute chart here, we got 1, 2, 3 candles for that pullback, and then the breakout through this high. The high right there, 709, 7050, and then the push from there. So I'm a big fan of. I got multiple charts pulled up, obviously, but it's good. It's good to see the bigger, different time frames. We also had bull flag on the 5-minute chart, right? The high of this candle. 724. Anytime that I see that there's a bull flag on the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, that's like fuck it. I'm just like, whew, I get excited. I get fired up because I know that if the bigger time frames are showing a bull flag, that if we do break out on the smaller time frame, that we're going to get that continuation. So the high of this candle right here, 24.25, we went to a high of 73. If we go, let's go to the 1-minute chart now that we've put that on there. Not the sexiest on the 1-minute chart, but you would have already been in this basically from this breakout here. And that 5-minute breakout, the bull flag playing out there on that move. So just curious, why yellow candles instead of green? I'm actually colorblind. I don't see greens, or I see green, but I don't see the different shades of green. So that's why I do yellow candles. I know it's funny, but that's why I have yellow candles. Because honestly, the yellow candles look green to me. So Danny doesn't see green either. No, he don't. He definitely don't see green. God. What's the color of my Lambo? It's pink, right? Orange? Black? Purple? Blue. You need 3 candles. I think 3 candles is a great way to trade on those pullbacks. Get those pullbacks. 3 candles is like a safer bet on the 2-minute chart. The 1-minute chart, you get those little like micro pullbacks. They're not always like the strongest, but you might only get 3 candles on the 1-minute chart. So it's a little bit of discretionary trading in the sense of like, can I get a better pullback? With this pullback here, and like, would it have been better to kind of wait for this pullback and kind of build out a flag? Really, yeah, it comes down to your personal preference. And you can see here at open, look at this move, man. Just what a move. Ding, ding, ding. 10 a.m. Wee. So that's it. I'm done. Do you use hypnosis? Do you use hypnosis for AI for trading? No. Where do you think the Nasdaq is going? It don't really matter what I say because the Nasdaq's going to do what it's going to do, but looks like right now we're pulling back here again. We got the VWAP down there. We might just, consolidate around here for a little bit. There's always some type of bullshit going on in the markets, so I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm going to lock that in. I'm going to walk away in the green here. I could continue to trade, but what do I know? Well, I know that if I continue trading, then I'm probably going to end up losing money. 9 o'clock is my best time to trade. Best time to trade. I don't know why it says 8 o'clock here. I have no idea. But 9 o'clock. Trade when you're good, not when you're bad. Take your money 22 days of green. We continue on January, February, no March, February, 5,000 a day. So Nasdaq pulling back here into that VWAP down there and the pivot point now. So we'll see how she rides, how she goes. I'm good. I'm done. I'm going to walk away, take my money, and have a good old day. Good old day for me here. That's what I'm going to do. So if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, be back tomorrow, because guess what? We're going to do it all over tomorrow. Well, we're going to try to make some more money. I got to get to that 30 days of profit. I think 30 green days in a row would be quite the accomplishment for me, because again, consistency, right? Like, could I make more money? Sure. Could I also lose more money? Yes. Could I blow up my accounts? Yes. But I also know, I'm like, hey, if I just get my $500 a day, get my $1,000 a day per account, that works. It's working. Don't fuck with perfection. You know, if it's working, don't fuck with it. Keep it going. Stay consistent. Stay alive. Remember, the market is built to take money from the impatient and give it to the patient. Something like that. I heard one time. Someone told me. I don't know. There it is. Either way, big thank you guys for tuning in. We had a lot of fun today. We continue to keep winning on the internet. And, well, I will promise to you one thing and one thing only, that I will keep showing up every morning for you guys so we can win together. We're going to win, baby. Win, 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 win. Fuck everything else. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays? Thirsty Thursdays. Peace to the Middle East, my friends. Love you. See you all. Peace.